So till now what we have done, locus 4 videos I have posted to you. From this one we have posted one video for transformation of axis, two videos. So this one will be the third video for transformation of axis, maybe the last video or second last video. We'll see whether we'll complete this one on time or not. See, when the axis is rotated through an angle pi by 4, the transform equation of the curve is given to us. What we need to find is important thing. Find the original equation. Here we find transform equation, but we need to find the original equation. Means transform equation is given. We have to find original equation. To find original equation, when axis was shifted, that time different formula, but the axis is rotated this time. Angle is given to us. Whenever angle is given, take theta equals to whatever value is given. Pi radians is 180 degrees by 4, that is 45 degrees. So first, whenever pi by 4 is given, 180 by 4. Pi by 6 is given, 180 by 6. Convert in degrees. So pi value is 180. So you have to take 180, you will get the value of theta. Now, to find original equation, we have to take capital X equals to and capital Y equals to. If you don't know the formula, you just write C minus S, SC in rough column, then take a box, small xy on left side, capital XY at the top. Once we have this one, we are equating which value? This you need to remember. Capital X and capital Y on left side, because we are finding original equation. Suppose we are finding transform equation, that time you need to remember to take small xy. Now capital XY equals to, now capital XY you can check here, it is capital X, this line. Cos and sin are there. X cos theta, Y sin theta you have to take. Small x cos theta plus small y sin theta. After that, capital Y. Capital Y is minus sin theta cos theta. So x and y you can add to that one. Minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. Or you have to by heart the formula. Two ways are there. One, you can remember that logic, or else just capital X is small x cos theta plus y sin theta. Capital Y is minus x sin theta plus y cos theta. After that, substitute theta value. Minus x sin 45 plus y cos 45. Trigonometry values you need to remember. You might have done in 10th class. Or if you have not done, you can remember now. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. If trigonometry is not started, you can remember this one. Root 2 is there in denominator. Single root 2 you have to take. X plus y. Single root 2 is in denominator. We have minus x plus y. Taking brackets. Now, we need to find original equation. So original equation you have to write. Therefore, original equation is check this one. 17x square is there. So what you have to write is 17. In place of x, take bracket square. In bracket you can write x plus y by root 2. Minus 16xy, x into y. X plus y by root 2 minus x plus y by root 2. Then plus 17y square minus x plus y by root 2 whole square equals to 225. This implies 17 into square the numerator, a square plus b square plus 2ab divided by root 2 square is 2. Minus 16 into, first multiply them. X is multiplied to both the terms, minus x square plus xy. Then y is multiplied to both terms, minus xy plus y square. Divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2. 17 into, if minus is there for one term, either it is given for the middle or else for the first term, you can take a minus b whole square formula. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Minus a plus b whole square is also a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here a square plus b square minus 2ab. Most important part of this problem. Many of them will get confused to take minus x plus y is there. So think that minus is there in that center itself. If single minus sign, you can take to 2ab. Now, like and unlike here, minus xy plus xy cancelled. Now we find 2 and 2 in the denominator. So, common denominator we have to consider. Common denominator 2. Now, multiply this one 17x square plus 17y square plus 34xy plus 16x square minus 16y square. Minus into minus is plus. Then 17x square plus 17y square minus 34xy. Now we have to check negative and positive term. Negative 34xy, positive 34xy cancelled. Now check x square values. Plus 17 plus 16 plus 17. 50x square. Then y square comes. 17y square minus 16y square, 1y square plus 17, 18y square. This 2 and 225 cross multiplied. This is 450. Now take that 450 to left side. 50x square plus 18y square minus 450 equal to 0 is required original equation. You can take 2 common also in this one, or else you can leave it up to this one. So what we did to find original equation, you should remember to take capital X, capital Y first. Then remember the formula. Substitute theta value. After substituting, you should know cos 45, sin 45 value. Both are 1 by root 2 only. Then at this time, you have the both root 2, single root 2, you can take 1x plus 1y. X plus y. Similarly, the two values you should substitute in the given equation in the question. So in that equation, x, y value substituted. Simplification is quite difficult. You have to practice a lot in order to get this one correctly. So what you have to do, copy this question one time by watching the video, then do with yourself. Without seeing, you can try once. Wherever you are getting mistakes, rectify them. Then again you can solve that. You can get this one very easily. Okay. Without practice, you are not going to get the simplification part. important one. When the axis is rotated through pi by 6, so we have theta equals to pi by 6. Pi is 180 divided by 6, that is 30 degrees. Pi is 180 degrees, so 180 degrees divided by 6 is 30 degrees. We need to find transformed equation. So what you should remember is we have to take small x and small y on left side. For original equations only we will take capital letters. You can remember the formula or C minus S, SC you can write in rough column, small xy you can take, capital xy you can take, you make a box. If I need small x, I will take small x line, small x row I will take. C and minus S is there. So what I have to do? X line you can check, cos theta minus sin theta. Capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. If I take small y, sin theta and cos theta. So capital X and capital Y you can give it in that. Capital X sin theta, capital Y cos theta. Or else you can watch video 1 of this unit. You can get the formula list. You can learn that formulas. Just write down here without going for the logic. Now x into cos theta, cos 30 degrees. Y into sin 30 degrees. X into sin 30, cos 30 degrees. Cos 30, you have to remember the value. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So x into root 3 by 2 minus y into 1 by 2. X into 1 by 2 plus y into root 3 by 2. By 2 is common, we have x root 3 minus y. Here also 2 is common, x plus y root 3. So this is the case we have. We have two values. Now we have to write, therefore, transformed equation. Whatever equation, x square means x value you can write. So what we have to do is, first step only I am doing that, x square is there. X root 3 minus y square by 2 square plus 2 root 3 xy. X root 3 minus y by 2 into x plus y root 3 divided by 2 minus y square, x plus y root 3 by 2 whole square. So numerator is square, denominator is square, equals to 2a square. So simplification is very easy. Just you need to remember from starting onwards what I am doing. Then you will get it easily. This is a. Both the terms is a minus b whole square. What I am doing? Check it out. A square. A means both the terms. So both will get square here. Plus b square, second term. Minus 2 into a into b. This divided by 4. Plus. We have a chance of cancellation, but don't cancel that. 2 root 3 as it is. First into first and multiplying. X into x is x square root 3. Then x into y, xy, root 3 into root 3 is 3. See, x root 3 into y root 3 is how much? Root 3 into root 3 is 3. X into y is xy. Root 3 into root 3 is root 3 square, that is 3, and xy. So while multiplying this and this, you will get x square root 3. But for this and second one, x into y, xy, root 3 into root 3 is 3. So this is 3xy. Minus y into x is xy. In order you can write. 1xy you can write. Minus y into y is y square root 3. Divide this bracket is closed. Divided by 2 to the 4. Most important step of this problem is multiply these two terms. How to multiply? First into first, first into second, second into first, second into second. Both are negative. Divided by 2 into 2 is 4. Minus of bracket you can start because minus then whole thing is there. So a plus b whole square. We have a square plus b square because b contains two terms, both will get square. 2 into xy into root 3. Xy y root 3 divided by 4 equals to 2a square. Now what we find? Denominator, common denominator. So we will take one single denominator. 4. This one is 3x square plus 1y square minus, first write numbers, then x into y. 2, this multiplication is very easy, you can just remember. 2 into, number is not there, root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 3 is 6. 6 into x square is 6x square. Once again you can check it out. 2 root 3 into x square root 3. Write in rough column. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 into 2 is 6. X square as it is. Then this one. 2 root 3 into 3xy. 2 3 is 6. Root 3 as it is. Xy. Then 2 into 1. Minus 2 ones are 2 root 3 xy. Then 2 root 3 into y square is again same thing. Root 3 into root 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6. Y square. Then minus x square minus 3y square. This is minus 1x square. Minus 2 root 3 xy. Okay. Now counting the terms. See, xy terms you can check. Minus 2 root 3 xy. Minus 2 root 3 xy. Minus 2 root 3 xy. Minus 6 root 3 xy plus 6 root 3 xy. These three terms negative with plus 6 root 3 cancel. Now count down x squares. 3x square, 6x square, 9x square, minus 1x square. 8x squares are there in total. 1y square, minus 6y square, minus 3y square. 1 minus 9 is minus 8y square. Equals to 4 into 2, 8a square. Now we can divide both sides by 8. A square you can take to the left side. Is required transformed equation. Okay, most important one. This one you have to practice 3 times at least in order to get this class simplification easy. How to simplify? Watch the video again and again. You will get this one. How I have multiplied this one. How I have expanded this one. Okay. These are the two questions, last two questions of the unit, in which find the point to which the axis is shifted. We need to find the angle to which the axis is rotated. So I have given you both the formulas in the first video. You can check this one. Point equals to hf minus bg by ab minus h square and gh minus af by ab minus h square. Whereas to find angle theta is equals to 1 by 2 tan inverse of 2h by a minus b. When this question is given to you, you should write comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So, comparing with this equation, you have to by heart. Now, x square term and x square term. Cancel those x squares, a is equals to 4. Similarly, xy term, you can find xy, we don't find xy here. Similar, 4xy is there here. But here xy term is not there. So, in this h is there, h is 0 because we don't find any x into y content term. Y square coefficient is b, y square coefficient is 9. So, b is equals to 9. Next term is x coefficient is 2g, here x coefficient with the sign is minus 8. So, 2g is equals to minus 8. With sign you should write. So 2 4s are 8, g is equals to minus 4. Then with y 2f is there, this is 2f. So you can take 2f is equals to 36, f is equals to 36 by 2 is 18. Then remaining is c value, c is equals to 14. So what you should write, clearly I will write you, right here, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. xy term is not there, h is 0. x square cancelled, a is 4. y square cancelled, b is 9. x cancelled, 2g is equals to minus 8. Similarly, we got all the values. Then you can write the point to which the origin is shifted is equals to hf minus bg by ab minus h square, gh minus af by ab minus h square. So h into f, h is 0 into 18 minus b into g divided by ab minus h square. Then gh minus af by ab minus h square. So whatever values are there, take in bracket so that it is very easy for simplification. 0 into anything 0, 9 4 36. 9 4 are 36 minus 0. 4 into 0 negative 0, don't write negative 0. 4 into 18 by 36 minus 0. 0 plus 36 is 36. 0 minus 72 is minus 72. So the answer is 1 comma minus 2. This is point to which the origin is shifted. To find the angle, same thing you can write comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So x square and x square is cancelled. Nothing is there means a is equals to 1. xy is cancelled. So 2h is equals to 4, h is equals to 4 by 2, h is equals to 2. Y square cancelled. So b is equals to 1. 2g is equals to x cancelled. 2g value is minus 2. g is equals to minus 2 by 2 is 1. So g is minus 1. Then we have y cancelled. 2f is equals to 2, f is equals to 2 by 2, f is equals to 1. Similarly, c is minus 6. So all the values we got by comparing. Now you can write angle to which axis is rotated. Theta equals to 1 by 2 tan inverse 2h by a minus b. gf is not used, so no need. If you don't find that values also, no problem. Only 3 values are used in the formula. Tan inverse 2 into h, 2 into 2 by a minus b, 1 minus 1. So half tan inverse 4 by 0. 4 by 0 is not defined. Tan inverse not defined. In trigonometry you find these values, that is 90. This is pi by 4. You can leave it up to this mark if you don't know the formula of infinity. So this is theta value. So we'll discuss next unit once I have. See, many of them are not submitting their notes on the WhatsApp. So 2 units notes I'll check by each and every name. And those who are not completing this one, so please change your group. If you are not capable of doing mathematics, then wastage of time and waste of energy also. If you are good in taking the subject, just go through with first video. It takes lot of time. See, if you give your time, watch the video without forwarding, watch it. Each and every point you have to remember, write in book how much efforts you will make to watch the video, how much effort you will apply to watch the video. That much easily you can able to learn this one, able to understand this. So this is very easy unit. What you just need to do is, without forwarding the video, watch till the end, then make a notes, watch each and every point, write down that one. So whatever we are doing on board, that you have to write, that's all. That is enough. 2 units are over. In 10th class you have many exercises. In here we have only 2 chapters of 4 chapters are there which are lengthy. Other chapters are only one exercise or 2 exercises each. So total 7 questions we have done from this one, and chapter is over. 1 question they will ask for 4 marks from this one. So everyone have to follow all the videos, then you can understand this one very easily.